Welcome back to cooking everything in the official Five Nights at Freddy's cookbook. Today we're making Bonnie's Ultimate Burger with crispy buttermilk onions. Thank you to Sonic the Speed for commenting. And don't forget to vote for what I make next in the comments below. First, we make Bonnie's Burgerlicious Burger Mix, which starts with finely slicing one medium onion. Now, melt 1.5 tablespoons of butter in a pan over technically low heat. I again did medium, so cook faster. Now you add your onion to the butter and cook until just soft. Try not to add any color to these onions. Now in a bowl, put a pound and 5 ounces of ground beef, but I'll just use a pound, and then mix the onions into it. Now into your ground beef mixture, you're going to want to mix half a teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper, along with a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1 egg yolk, but I just used the entire egg. Now you want to turn your ground beef into patties. You can use a patty press or parchment paper in a pan, or you can just use your hands, like I did. My dad ended up redoing these because I did not realize how bad I was at forming patties until I watched him do it. The first thing that I did for the burger is make the sauce, but you can really do these in any order. The sauce is 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a teaspoon of ketchup, 1 gherkin, which is a very tiny pickle, 1 teaspoon yellow mustard, and 1 tablespoon finely chopped chives, which is optional, and you just mix those all together in a bowl. Now for the crispy buttermilk onions, you're going to want to slice 1 small onion and then soak it in 3 tablespoons of buttermilk. You can make homemade buttermilk by just substituting 1 tablespoon of milk from a cup of milk with lemon juice. Once you're ready, you take your soaked onions and coat them in 2 tablespoons plain flour, 1 teaspoon paprika, and some salt and pepper, and you just fry those in about a cup of oil until golden brown to just regular brown. To assemble this burger, you're going to go bottom bun, some sauce, lettuce, tomato, the patty, then you're going to go pickles, fried onions, more sauce, then the top bun, and enjoy! These burgers were amazing. My dad did a wonderful job on the barbecue in getting the perfect melted cheese. The sauce was delicious, and the onions were a really, really nice touch. I would give this like 8 out of 10.